Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn third grammatical lesson, quantitative, emphasizing and numeral adjectives. It means types of adjectives. We see in our all grammatical lessons or in grammar we see the adjectives of different types. Okay. So we will see first an adjective. Look here. An adjective is a word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or thing which the noun names. Okay. It is also used to tell the number, quantity and quality of the noun. एडजेक्टिव वो होते हैं जो नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं या फिर नाउन को पॉइंट आउट करते हैं कि उस नाउन को इट मीन्स पर्सन हो, एनिमल हो, प्लेस हो या फिर थिंग्स हो. ये जो नाउन्स है उनको पॉइंट आउट करने का, उनको एक्सप्लेन करने का काम करते हैं एडजेक्टिव्स. ओके. Also, adjectives tell us about the number or quantity or quality of that noun. Let us see how. Look at the following sentences. First, Jack is a naughty boy. It means if we ask question for this boy, it means if we ask the question for noun that what kind of boy Jack is, in this way, if we ask the question, then we will give the answer of naughty boy. It means naughty. This word is called an adjective. Okay. Because naughty, this adjective word shows the quality of that noun. It means the boy. Who boy? Jack. Jack is a naughty boy. In this way, look at the second sentence. I don't like that man. I don't like that man. Which man? That man. Okay. Which man? That man. It means that word shows the more information about the man. Okay. Let us see the third. Mom gave me 5 oranges. Mom gave me 5 oranges. How many oranges? 5. It means this 5 word is called adjective because this adjective describes or point out the noun information. Okay. So let us see the fourth example. There is a little time for preparation. How much time? Little time. There is a little time for preparation. प्रिपरेशन के लिए हमारे पास बहुत थोड़ा टाइम है. A little time. So, little, these words explain more information about the noun. So, little word is called an adjective. In this way, in sentence first, naughty describes what kind of boy Jack is. In second sentence, that point out which man is meant. Also, in third sentence, 5 shows how many oranges mom gave. And in fourth sentence, little shows how much time there is for preparation. In this way, naughty, that, 5 and little, these are an adjective and this adjective shows the more information about the nouns. So, it is called adjective. You have learnt about demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, exclamatory and possessive pronouns. Okay. You have learnt about demonstrative, interrogative, exclamatory and possessive pronouns in new Learn Well Grammar Book 5. It means students, in your 5th standard, you had learnt about demonstrative, interrogative, exclamatory and possessive pronouns. Here we will deal with quantitative, emphasizing and numeral adjectives. In this year, you are going to learn about quantitative, emphasizing and numeral adjectives. So we will start. What is the quantitative adjective, emphasizing adjective and numeral adjectives? So we will first learn about quantitative adjectives. It also called adjective of quantity. Okay. Quantity means how many or how much. Okay. Quantitative adjective shows how much of thing is meant by. Okay, as first we can see the example. We have had enough exercise. Enough. Second sentence, he has no sense. Third sentence, you did not eat any rice. Fourth, he has little intelligence. Fifth, he showed much patience. Sixth, he has lost all his wealth. And seventh, the whole money was spent. In this way, in those seventh sentence, we can see enough, no, any, little, much, all, whole. These all words is called adjectives. But which type of adjectives these are? These are quantitative adjectives, because we ask question here with how much, then we get this answer of these quantitative adjectives. Let us see how. Also we can see the next examples here on the next page. See here, 8th example, I ate some rice. 9th, take great care of your health. 10th, he claimed his half share of the booty. 11th, there has not been sufficient rain this year. In this way, here also some, great, half and sufficient. These words is called adjective. But which type? Quantitative adjective. Why? Because adjectives of quantity answer the questions how much. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटीज़ के जो आंसर हमें मिलते हैं वो हमें कब मिलते हैं? जब हम उस सेंटेंस को हाउ मच से क्वेश्चन आस्क करते हैं. ओके अगर हमने ये सारे सेंटेंस में अगर हाउ मच से क्वेश्चन आस्क करेंगे तो उसका जो आंसर हमें मिलेगा तो वो हमारा आंसर होगा एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी. इट मीन्स दिस वर्ड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एट सम राइस. दिस सेंटेंस यू कैन सी हियर. इफ वी आस्क सम क्वेश्चन like this, how much did I eat rice, how much rice I eat, so we will give answer of some rice. In this way, if we ask the question with starting how much, then we will get answer of the adjective of quantity. So you should remember here that how do we identify the quantitative adjectives? Quantitative adjectives answer we will get by how much question. Okay, hope you understand. It means students, quantitative adjectives जो होते हैं वो adjective हमें उस क्वेश्चन उस आए हुए सेंटेंस में हम अगर उस सेंटेंस को हाउ मच से क्वेश्चन आस्क करेंगे, उसको पूछेंगे हाउ मच क्वेश्चन से, तो उसका जो आंसर मिलेगा वो आंसर ही हमारा होगा क्वांटिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. ओके, सो लेट अस वी विल लर्न नाउ emphasizing adjectives. It means own and very. In bracket you can see here own and very. Own means खुद का. Okay, emphasizing adjectives, it means when we press any of the word, that time it gives answer, that emphasizing adjectives. These adjectives are used to emphasize or a possessive adjective or a noun. It means ये जो emphasizing adjectives होते हैं उसका आंसर जो होता है वो हमें हमेशा possessive में आता है या फिर वो नाउन पॉजेसिव का होता है. इट मीन्स वो उस टाइप्स के सेंटेंस में हमें जो आंसर मिलेगा वो अधिकार के जरिए, इट मीन्स ओन का मिलेगा, वेरी का मिलेगा. ओके, लेट अस सी हाउ. सो लुक दिस लाइन. ओन इज यूज्ड टू एम्फसाइज अ पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स. ओन ये वर्ड शो ऑफ करता है पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स को. ओके, लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल. आई एम माई ओन मास्टर. मैं खुद का मास्टर हूँ. It means I am my own master. Own means ownership, possessive. Here we see the ownership of that sentence. Also second sentence, mind your own business. Mind your own business. It means own. Let us see the third. He saw it with his own eyes. Fourth number sentence, you will be beaten at your own game. In this way, these all own words shows the possessive adjectives in this sentence. Let us see the very. Very is used to emphasize a noun. Noun को emphasize करने के लिए very का यूज़ किया जाता है. Let us see how. This is the very thing we want. There it stands to this very day. In this way, emphasizing adjectives means वह वर्ड्स जिसमें हम जोर देते हैं, उसको ज़्यादा प्रेस करते हैं, वह उस टाइप के जो वर्ड्स आते हैं तो उसे हम बोलते हैं emphasizing adjectives. फॉर एग्जाम्पल own and very. ओके, अगर किसी भी सेंटेंस में हमें ये वर्ड दिखाई देते हैं तो उस टाइप्स के वर्ड्स को हम बोलेंगे एम्फेसाइजिंग एडजेक्टिव. होप्स यू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स. सो लेट अस वी विल नाउ स्टार्ट द व्हाट इज मीन बाय न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव्स. न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव्स, इट आल्सो कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. दिस एडजेक्टिव शोज हाउ मेनी पर्सन्स और थिंग्स आर मीट इन और इन व्हाट ऑर्डर अ पर्सन और थिंग स्टैंड्स. तो न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव्स जो होते हैं वो क्या शो ऑफ करते हैं कि उस सेंटेंस में कितने पर्सन हैं या फिर कितने थिंग्स है. इट मीन्स वी कैन काउंट हियर 1 2 3 4 in this way. So how many? We can ask question of this sentence with how many. That time we get answer of the numeral adjectives. It means adjectives of number. So let us see the example. All men must die. All. Here all word is called numeral adjective. Most boys like cricket. Few cats like cold water. The hand has 5 fingers. Here are some ripe mangoes. I have taught you many things. There are no pictures in this book. Sunday is the first day of the week. There are several mistakes in the answer written by you. In this way, all the sentence here, all, most, few, 5, some, many, no, first, several. These all words is called numeral adjectives. And numeral adjectives, we get answer the questions by how many. When we see this type of sentence, that time we ask the questions of that sentence with how many, and we get answer numeral adjectives. In this way, numeral adjectives are of 3 kinds. अभी यहाँ पे जो numeral adjectives हमने देखे हैं कि numeral adjective हम कैसे पहचानेंगे कि उस सेंटेंस को हम जब how many से क्वेश्चन आस्क करेंगे तो हमारा जो आंसर आएगा वो होगा numeral adjective. अभी ये numeral adjectives के 3 kinds है, 3 types है, तो वो कौन से हैं हम देखेंगे. Now look at here which 3 types we can see the numeral adjectives. First, definite numeral adjectives denote an exact number. It means definite numeral adjective जो होते हैं उससे हमें exact number मिलता है. मतलब जब भी हम अभी न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव जो होते हैं उस सेंटेंस को हमें कौन से क्वेश्चन से आस्क करना है, कौन से वर्ड से क्वेश्चन आस्क करना है, हाउ मेनी से. ओके, जब भी हम हाउ मेनी से क्वेश्चन आस्क करते हैं तो उस टाइम अगर हमें एग्जैक्ट नंबर मिलता है आंसर में तो वो जो टाइप है वो हमारा डिफाइनाइट न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव होगा. ओके, सो लेट अस सी हियर 1 2 3 एक्सेट्रा. इफ वी गेट these answers, that time these are called cardinal numbers. Okay, 1 2 3 and so on. So these all numbers is called cardinal numbers. Also first, second and third. In this way if we get these answers, that time we call it as the ordinal numbers. Okay, I hope you can understand what is mean by cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In this way, if we count these numbers, that time it called cardinal numbers. And first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. In this way, if we count these numbers in this way, that time it is called ordinal numbers. Okay, look at this carefully and difference between cardinal and ordinal numbers. It means definite numeral adjectives denotes an exact number. In this way, so this is our first numeral adjectives types. So on the next page we will see the second type of numeral adjectives. See here now, point to remember. A cardinal denotes how many. Cardinal number denotes how many, and ordinal denotes the order of things in a series. Ordinals do the work of demonstrative adjectives. It means जब भी हम how many से क्वेश्चन आस्क करेंगे तो उस टाइम कार्डिनल नंबर्स हमें मिलेंगे, इजीली मिलेंगे जब हम how many से आस्क करेंगे. बट जब हमें ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स मिलेंगे तो उस टाइम वो हमें शो ऑफ करेंगे ऑर्डर ऑफ थिंग्स. इट मीन्स सीरीज, उसमें सीरीज होंगी फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. इन दिस वे वी गेट सीरीज ऑफ दैट नंबर्स. इट मीन्स ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स. ओके, सो लेट अस सी द सेकेंड type of numeral adjectives. This is called indefinite numeral adjectives. In first type we see the definite numeral adjectives, and here second type of indefinite numeral adjectives. These do not denote an exact number. अभी ये जो indefinite numeral adjectives है इसमें exact number नहीं मिलता है, तो इसमें हम ऐसे सपोज करते हैं, मतलब रिमेंबर करते हैं कि वो इतना इतना होगा. इस तरह से हम एग्जैक्ट नंबर में आंसर नहीं दे सकते हैं, तो वो वाले जो वर्ड्स होंगे वो इनडेफिनिट न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव्स होंगे. सो लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल. ऑल मेन आर मॉर्टल. नोबडी वाज absent. मेनी पीपल आर पुअर. फ्यू मेन आर ऑनेस्ट. Some men die young. Several girls came there. These eggs will be enough. I have helped him on Sunday occasion. Okay, in this way, all, no, many, few, some, several, enough, and sundry. In this way, these all words is called indefinite numeral adjectives, because these all words shows the these all word do not shows the exact number, so it is called indefinite numeral adjective. Hopes you understand. So let us see the third type of numeral adjective, that is called distributive numeral adjectives, and these adjectives refer to each one of a number. Each one of a number, it means उसमें से कोई भी एक एग्जैक्ट नंबर एक ही उसमें से आएगा, उसे हम बोलेंगे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव्स. ओके, सो लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल. आइदर पेन विल डू. ऑन आइदर साइड ऑफ द पार्क इज अ नैरो लेन. नाइदर स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. एवरी वर्ड ऑफ इट इज फॉल्स. एवरी मैन विशेस टू बी हैप्पी. ईच बॉय मस्ट टेक हिज टर्न. 10 girls stood in each row. In this way, either, neither, every, and each, this word shows the each one of a number, so it is called distributive numeral adjectives. In this way, we have seen the different types of numeral adjectives. So at lastly, point to remember here, the same adjectives, it means some, all, no, enough, etc., may be classed as adjective of quantity or adjectives of number according to their uses. ओके, कभी कभी ऐसे भी एडजेक्टिव्स आते हैं, सम लाइक दिस, सम, ऑल, नो, इनफ. तो ये अकॉर्डिंग टू दियर यूज़, मतलब उसका यूज़ किस तरह से करना है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करके कभी वो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी होते हैं तो कभी वो एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ नंबर होते हैं. सो यू हैव टू गिवन हियर डिफरेंस बिटवीन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी सेंटेंस and adjective of number. Here we can see same adjectives, but its use are different. So let us see adjective of quantity examples. I ate some rice. He has lost all his wealth. You have no sense. He did not eat any rice. I have enough sugar. In this way, some, all, no, any, and enough, these words is called adjective of quantity in those sentences. So we will see now adjectives of number. Some boys are clever. All men must die. There are no pictures in this book. Are there any mango trees in this garden? We do not have enough spoons. It means some, all, no, any, and enough. These words shows the different use in this sentence, so it is called adjectives of number. In this way, there are a little difference between adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. Words are same, but its uses are different, so it is depend on according to their uses. Okay, hope you understand, students. So now let us see on the textbook page number 15. Here you have given test yourself some of the exercise which you have solved at your home in your notebook. Okay, so first question here, say whether the underlined adjectives in the following sentence are quantitative, numeral, emphasizing, or distributive. So you have given some of the examples and you should identify these examples of that adjectives. Which adjectives is this? ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो अंडरलाइन किए हुए एडजेक्टिव्स आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं, तो वो एडजेक्टिव किस टाइप का एडजेक्टिव है वो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उसका आंसर आपको उसके आगे लिखना है. सो लेट अस सी द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. You have enough rice. So you have underlined here enough word. So what type of this enough underlined word in adjective types? So this is a quantitative adjectives because we see here the quantity of that rice. So this is called quantitative adjectives. Here I have given some of the answers of these questions. So enough, this adjective is called quantitative adjectives. In this way, all these examples underlined words you should find what type of adjective is this and you should write the answer of these questions. Okay, so let us see the second question here. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. Quantitative adjective, numeral adjective, or emphasizing adjective. So you should write here some of the adjectives in the fill in the blanks. So let us see the first example. She goes for a walk dash dash Sunday. It means here every Sunday. These adjectives we will write here to complete the sense of that sentence. Okay, she goes for a walk every Sunday. In this way, you have to complete these all fill in the blanks, and you should write you should find out the which type of adjective we can use here in these sentences. So you have to complete this all exercise in your homework. So I hope you understand today's lesson. Thank you.